chilling on the water. This is what we like to do.
I'm qualified too. I can't believe it.
Happened when you...
Merry
Christmas, guys!
Everybody.
Thanks for watching our videos this year. It's been amazing the support we've been getting. We thought we'd jump ahead and bring you some up-to-date Christmas videos. Got a Christmas jumper on.
Yes. I've got some sort of top on.
Christmassy
wine.
Yeah,
glass.
so we've still got quite a few videos to show you guys of the progress on the boat and some boat jobs and things. But
no one wants to see Christmas videos in January or February, is it?
No. So we'll take you back in time after the next few videos of the Christmassy stuff, show you what we've been getting up to, and then we'll go back to the videos we've been doing working on a boat. So thought we'd just say quick hello and thank you to everybody who's subscribed.
Yes, it's really helping.
It's really good. And if you're watching on a mobile, click the hype button. There's a little shooting star thing. It says hype. If you click that 3 times, I don't know what it does, but it hypes our video. And if we get lots of hype points, then maybe YouTube will start showing us to more people. So yeah, if you can click the hype button, click the subscribe button if you've not done so already, and we will say cheers.
See you in the
Merry
new
Christmas.
Year. Merry Christmas.
And enjoy the video.
Yeah. Today we decided to start putting the reindeers up for Christmas. So there's a couple of them there. And a couple of there. Ben's out on the bow of the boat putting the first one up. Let's go and take a look at how he's getting on. There he is, putting the first reindeer up. How are you getting on?
Cold.
And wet. It's a horrible day today down on the marina. Yeah, so 1 reindeer nearly up, so 4 more to go. So yeah, happy days. So we have 5 reindeers on the boat. Ben's securing the last one up there. That's easier, isn't it, than we thought? Usually it takes us ages to put these reindeers up. When we're on Cavaletta, it took us ages to secure them down. But yeah, all good.
Alright, I've made a start on the lights. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some of the lights aren't working on those now, but they'll be alright when there's more lights around it. So I've got it all wired in neatly. Outdoor box there, all wired in. It always rains when I do this. Anyway, that's enough for today. It takes about 2 weeks to do this, and I don't know how it's going to go on this boat because it's a new boat, but I've got lots of space, railings to put lights. Yeah, ideas. Okay, that's tomorrow's job. Right guys, I'm fitting more lights to the boat, so I made a good start last weekend, but got quite a few more sets to go, and it's Saturday, late afternoon, only going to get an hour in today, and tomorrow it's the Moretti big light switch on. Ooh, so I can't wait to show you guys what it all looks like. A few little lights up and around the place. Hopefully it's not going to rain. Stick along and see what it looks like with, I think, about 13,000 lights. Okay, hopefully it doesn't trip. I better test that first actually before I do the live switch on. Right, so if you haven't already, please click the old little subscribe button. Scan this code, please. Scan it, subscribe, see if we can get a few more to this little channel and see where we can take it. Okie dokie, I am going to put some more lights up. Oh my gosh. Alright.
So it's 30th of November and it's a Sunday. Now this is what we've been doing, putting Christmas tree decorations up. Christmas tree, Christmas lights up. This is, you see right through, there's Rich, the brother. And Bella, the horse. There, she wants to come say hello. You gonna speak to the camera, Belle? No? Yeah, she just licked it and now screen's gone now. There we go. That's better. Yeah, so you can see like a green light there through the... Oh, what am I thinking? Oh my god, Rich, I can't think.
What? Green dinosaur, Christmas dinosaur?
Yeah.
Yeah. Blow up dinosaur.
Yeah, on the bow, that's it. Bloody hell. Oh my god, my brain's gone. Yeah, on the bow of the boat. Yeah, so basically we will see what they look like because we're going to switch them on, I think about 6:30. So, yeah. So, my job is decorating the Christmas tree, really. So, this is what it looks like at the moment. Not bad. There we go. Happy days.
Okay guys, right, I've got most of the lights up. About 10,000 I think, not the 14,000 that I wanted to put up. Tree. We're about to switch the lights on. So, not so many people here today. We used to have loads of people coming around, but right, the Burd is going to do the switch on. Right then, are we ready? Burd?
Yeah?
You've got to get ready to flip the switch. Right, wait. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Click it then. Alright. Now that is alright. Got a few more to put on, but I've run out of daylight and time today. Dino the dinosaur will be up in a minute, and Santa will be at the top. So that pretty good. Dino coming up. Come on, Dino. Let me get. He's stuck. Really cool. Keith, his Christmas jumper.
It's pirates!
Right, let me read that. Merry Christmas.
Your name etched on the plaque again this week?
Hopefully. Oh, I think we will. Pretty cool. And the Christmas tree lights up. Alright, oh, that's cold out there. So there we go guys, what do you think? Let us know, leave a comment in the box below and let us know what you think of our Christmas lights. I've got a few more to put up, but yeah, I'll do that next weekend probably. Yeah, and if you haven't done so already, please click the subscribe button, it will help us a lot. And Merry Christmas, cheers, we'll see you next time. Oh, Bella the dog. Bella the dog. Right now. Ah, going to go right showing you Dino and Santa. Now he's up there. There he is. Happy days. Looking good. I've done it in such a way that we can still take the boat out and move around. We've just got to get an inverter so we can run with the lights on around the marina. Cool. More lights needed though. Definitely more lights. Morning guys. Coffee time. So weekend. Just working out where to do my ironing. So I've got this little ironing board, tabletop thing. So I'm going to iron my shirts here. So Christmas party time. So I've got to get the shirts out. I've got some new ones. And I've got to put more lights up. So Christmas decks are coming along, but the weather it's going to be raining all day, and that top set of lights there that go around the rail, they stopped working, so goddamn, gotta fit those on. My bird's been stocking up for Christmas, but I'm going to drink those before then, so you have to go get some more. So we've got, it's all going on. That set, some of those don't work, and then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Some of those don't work. I've got another 3 sets I've ordered coming tomorrow. Oh yeah, Andy Viking down the other end, he's got all his lights up. He's brighter than me at the moment. That's because half of mine's still in the bloody box. On the box. We will get there. Alright, busy day, and then we've got to go out for our first Christmas party. Alright, let's get going on. Alright guys, we're ready to go out. Woohoo! Christmas party time. So, Bird's all glammed up.
Just a little bit.
Looking gorgeous. And I'm just shirt and jeans.
Just waiting for the taxi.
Waiting for Uber. God damn it. Anyway, come and have a look at the lights I put up today. So, I fixed the ones that broke around the side. And put a few more up the back. It's better, isn't it? And I put a few more up around the side. Santa, I just put Santa up, it's a bit windy for him, but he's alright. I think too windy for Dino, he's tied down on the bow. There we are. And I've got 3 more sets coming tomorrow. Alright, party time. We're gonna go out, have some fun. Catch you later. Hi guys, I got my Christmas jumper out. So I'll show you the last final edition. Oh, one of the lights went bloody on. Bloody hellfire. Should load of that first. Right, 1 second. I'll be back. Alright, well that set's dodgy, so I've got another one. Anyway, that's it. Final version. That's all I had time to do. Pretty cool though. Oh, didn't turn the water lights on. Right, we'll show you what she looks like from over there. And there's not many other boats that have bothered down this end. In fact, it's very dark.
There's a new one.
So, here we are. Paul's got some on his sailboat.
Hello.
Very good, Paul.
Very good actually.
A few round the flats. Yeah, they got theirs on. Right, there she is. Love the reflection in the water. Not bad effort. Not bad at all really, considering the time I had. There's Dave's Hudson Bay. Right down here and there's Andy. I'll show you that one another time. And all the swans watching on. Quiz night, Tuesday night, Warden Woodhouse, quiz night. I think it's probably the first one I've been this year, and the last one. Hi guys, it's a Thursday night and we're off to the club, Cabot Cruising Club in Bristol. So Boat's all looking good in the rain. Miserable night. And some more lights on. So we're off to Cabot Cruising Club. So we're going to get a taxi there and back. It's the last club night of the year, and we haven't been for quite a while, probably since the Harbourfestival actually. So yeah, I'll show you the club. Alright. Right, here we are. The old lightship. John Sebastian. Right, darling? Yeah. After you.